loved it.
That was so much fun.
Yeah, like you're so good at
Yeah, I
this.
couldn't believe how good I was. I even was doing some trick shots. It was a lot of
Yeah,
fun.
it was so fun.
It was so much fun. Like, I love how fast-paced it is. Plus that like
indeed.
small ball you have to really like aim.
Yeah.
Really like.
But at the same time, it's easy to use. The ball's small. You don't have to wear shoes, and you don't have to be a really good bowler to have a good time.
Right. We just hang out, have some snacks and drinks, and then
Exactly.
jump on over and just like try to take each other down.
Exactly. That's why we're here.
We're about to go do that too.
I think the fact that we don't have to wear bowling shoes.
Oh my gosh, I
is
forgot about that.
incredible.
Yes,
Yes.
that's definitely it.
Doesn't ruin
That's
the
it.
outfit.
Yep.
Okay, that's
You
important
can
for
stay
me.
swagged out. Number one reason I'm here, because I don't have to take my shoes off.
Exactly, that's great.
I loved it here. It was so much fun. It's definitely harder than normal bowling, so it created a challenge, but it's easy to like adjust to and have fun and just play. I love the animations on the TV. It created such a fun atmosphere. It's something you can laugh at in the meantime while the ball, is coming back up.
Yeah, I really had a lot of fun bowling with my friends. It was a lot of fun.
Definitely loved those little animations. I thought those were so fun. We always had a great time looking at them and laughing.
So fun. Like, I literally want to do this every weekend. I love it so much.
Yeah, it's just fun to like chuck the ball down there.
Just chuck it.
Oh, that'd be sweet.
It's fun and it's competitive. And it's an absolute blast.
Yeah,
All the time.
100%.
We're coming next
Yeah,
weekend.
right? I was like, what are you doing tomorrow?
No, I'm coming. Yeah, I'm going to be here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're
100%.
definitely coming back soon.
Yeah.